Hey guys, have you ever heard about Stablepool? If you own XRP and are interested in making constant money on exchanges like 1inch, Uniswap and Co., then this website is perfect for you. It offers you the chance to deposit your cryptos, like XRP, to the site in order to add liquidity to those exchanges. After having to sign up to the site with your email, you can simply go to Top Up and select the currency and the amount of it that you want to deposit on the site. It will then show you the address. Simply transfer your XRP or any other currency to this address and mark I've paid. Now, you've got your money on the site. Now, go to Open Staking and enter as much of your crypto as you want. The site shows you how much of that amount you'll earn as interest within 12 hours. Usually around 0.1-0.2%. That's 2% in a single week. Think about it long term. Within 1 year, you'll have made 2x without any risk. So, the site is partnering with the Japanese crypto exchange TadoX.com, which offers a wide variety of different cryptocurrencies. You're still not convinced? Then you'll be surprised to hear that it has already gained a lot of institutional investors like Panther Capital, Fimbushi Capital, and Arrington XRP Capital, which helped the site receive more than $80.000.000 within the first week. And the best part, if you sign up until November 31st, you'll receive $50 in a random cryptocurrency for free. So, I don't know about you, but for me this sounds pretty convincing. Was a document relating to the SEC settlement leaked? What is the latest development in the Ripple vs. SEC legal battle? If you're interested in learning more about it, continue watching this video to learn more and avoid missing out on an incredible opportunity to win 25 XRP tokens at the end of this month. Hello gentlemen, welcome back to XRP Hut, your one-stop shop for all things XRP and cryptocurrency. In today's video, we'll discuss XRP and the leaked SEC paper. Therefore, maintain your focus. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and enable post alerts by clicking the bell to ensure you never miss an upload and to win our prize. With that out of the way, let's get into today's topic. One of the factors contributing to regulatory uncertainty in the United States is the manner in which numerous financial agencies, state governments, and even the United States Congress carry out their distinct tasks. This is especially true, as previously indicated, when it comes to the crypto sector. Ripple, a San Francisco-based blockchain startup, is one of the blockchain companies that understands this notion fairly well. Ripple is the business behind XRP, the cryptocurrency token used to conduct transactions on the RippleNet digital payment platform. RippleNet is a real-time gross settlement (RTGS) system with the goal of enabling instant monetary transactions throughout the world. The XRP ledger is an open-source database that is not based on blockchain technology, but rather on distributed ledger technology. Apart from XRP, RippleNet also serves as a payment settlement system for international transfers and remittances, comparable to more established systems such as SWIFT. In answer to a law professor's inquiry regarding their views on stablecoin legislation, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse urged the United States Congress to take a leadership role in resolving cryptocurrency regulatory challenges. Garlinghouse, on the other hand, is not the only one who maintains this position. According to Ripple's General Counsel Stuart Alderoty, several members of Congress are attempting to speed the process by submitting legislation. Mr. Bernanke did voice fear, though, that other economies could surpass the U.S. if it continued to delay its decision. The executive used the European Union as an example throughout this process. Anthony Pompliano, an investment expert, has urged the U.S. to take the lead and attract crypto innovation to its borders, following the discovery that Bitcoin is unlikely to be banned in the country. He emphasized the importance of creating a conducive atmosphere for those who work in the sector and offered a suggestion for how regulators should proceed. Additionally, Pompliano stated that the Securities and Exchange Commission and the Federal Reserve would lack the authority and capacity to regulate cryptocurrency exchanges and transactions. Even SEC Chairman Gary Gensler has stated that any crypto ban would result from a congressional vote, not the Commission. Garlinghouse's appeal gained fresh relevance in the aftermath of this tragedy. On the other side, it remains unclear what will happen in the SEC vs. Ripple Labs lawsuit. Due to the extension of the discovery deadline to the 14th of January, crypto specialists are now aware that the inquiry will last at least through the end of the year. Ripple has argued for the establishment of technology-agnostic anti-money laundering measures. Blockstream, a San Francisco-based blockchain business, has likewise argued for a principles-based approach to its blockchain endeavors rather than a prescriptive framework. The company recommended taking a risk-based approach to ecosystem security, while also encouraging private sector engagement and investment. When asked about the move, Ripple's Alderati expressed delight, emphasizing how closely the Australian regulatory authorities collaborated with industry parties. Deaton reviewed the issue once more on a second interview on the Paul Barron Network, this time speculating on the outcome of the case. While winning or losing a case may appear to be binary outcomes, resolving a matter has its own set of consequences for all parties involved. If the judge rules that XRP is not a security, and that the SEC did not provide enough and fair notice to the market, Gensler's jurisdictional approach to crypto will come to an end, because the SEC would then have jurisdiction over only pure initial coin offering type offerings. For Deaton, the most alarming component of the SEC determination that all kinds of XRP, even those sold on the secondary market, are securities, was the fact that the SEC believes all XRP is a security. "My greatest worry," Deaton stated, "is that the SEC will dismiss the case out of fear of a loss, and then it will be as if last year never happened. So the SEC may settle with Ripple in order to retain the ability to pursue other cryptocurrencies," he continued. Additionally, Deaton said that the court's decision to extend the deadline could ultimately benefit XRP investors. He said that Ripple will collect proof from anybody possessing a copy of the digital asset. On the other hand, the crypto lawyer emphasized that the first consideration should not be money. He said that Ripple's operations, as well as the court's ruling in this case, could result in the Securities and Exchange Commission suing other companies in the near future. Additionally, the Biden administration, which campaigns in Congress for comprehensive legislation to conduct business, the government proposes that token issuers become chartered banks or insured depository institutions. The government has issued a warning to the larger cryptocurrency business that they would face enhanced surveillance and regulation, including a crackdown on defined trading platforms and lending networks. Apart from that, the government intends to regulate digital wallets that store Bitcoin assets, in part to mitigate the possibility of them being used for money laundering or other illegal activity. Additionally, the administration intends to identify large coin issuers as systemically important enterprises, which would subject them to regulation by the Financial Stability Oversight Council, which is charged with mitigating market risks. Another apparent regulatory priority for the Biden administration appears to be decentralized finance or DeFi exchanges and lending platforms, which are currently the subject of a Federal Trade Commission investigation. The Bitcoin industry may be harmed by Ripple's entry into the DeFi business. For many in the Bitcoin sector, the prospect of full government regulation has long been a source of frustration. As part of the infrastructure package currently before the House of Representatives, new tax reporting standards were included, which industry fought tooth and nail against. Crypto lobbying has also increased as Congress contemplates new revenue streams for the corporation, which may be included in the $1.75 trillion social and climate change bill currently before the House of Representatives for a vote. According to the government, a specialized set of rules and safety procedures would benefit both parties by fostering confidence and increasing overall use of stablecoins. It is possible for coin issuers who agree to be regulated similarly to banks to benefit in this fashion from the government's safety net. When it comes to coin issuers, this includes both FDIC insurance to recompense consumers in the case of a failure and methods for orderly resolution in the event of a coin issuer collapse. This will have an effect on not just the XRP cryptocurrency, but on all cryptocurrencies. By contrast, if this results in sustained CBDC expansion, this might be fantastic news for XRP investors. Moving on, many investors are curious about whether XRP remains a viable investment despite the ongoing case. Ripple has made significant strides in recent years. Additionally, we believe it is a significant cryptocurrency at the time. Over 200 financial institutions have implemented Ripple's technology to date, and the trend is not slowing anytime soon. Investing in Ripple in 2021 appears to be the wisest course of action. Cryptocurrencies are gaining popularity at an unprecedented rate, and Ripple is one of the most significant. It has had an exceptional year thus far without exceedingly high prices. Experts in the crypto world are bullish about Ripple's. There are strong indications that the platform will grow in popularity in the future, and the coins may become far more valuable. Given that the majority of individuals are still capable of making a big investment, Now is an excellent time to buy XRP. That concludes today's discussion, gentlemen. How would you feel about this? Participate and leave us a remark below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Additionally, if you don't want to miss any future films, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification below this video to be notified the next time we release a video on the latest XRP and cryptocurrency news. You can view our previous videos about XRP or other cryptocurrencies before the next one is released. We appreciate your time and interest in this video, and we hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.